Uhoro wa mwaka mweru ingithie Murang'a ndiaga kugura mianga na ni ndirikanaga hindi muthuri ungi akinyenderia mianga anjirire atiriri ungienda mianga yaku ikorwo i fresh agiko wagura mianga umuthi na ni urenda kumiruga rucio na ni urenda ikorwo i fresh no ndoi mundu ucio enjire mianga yake ugekira ndo mai ukamikia ndoini iyo ya mai ikarara mai-ini riu rucio rucini we no guthambia mianga yaku ugacoka ukamiua ndiragithire Murang'a na ino niyo mianga yakwa na ni mingi kwanja ya 250 irari mianga taiga miciria like 7 mianga 7 can you imagine mbere muthuri ucio ndanahitia tondu ndoa mianga yakwa ihano ni we kwiragwo ati mundu atherete kana kindu githerete ta mwanga muwe ni no reke ngwire ine ngai nginya ni undu wothe nduramiona wega no uguo ni gwihana mitheru biu nyanya baby okay okay wani na okay by the way mianga yuagwo ugoka haha ugeko Augo tu. Ni ngumicamura ihana ũũ tondu wamicamura ihana ũguo ihana ũguo iminene ũguo ni irutanagia yes njũgĩkena Hey, but I love cassava so much. I mean, it really does not matter whether it's just boiled or deep fried. I will eat it anyway, as long as it has salt. It's really good. And when you don't overcook it, so it's a bit hard, it's really good. And I have to admit, when it's deep fried, it's really the best. I'm ready. It's really good. Really, really good. Okay, guys, bye.